Hey guys, what's up? It's Domino, and today I'm doing another tutorial video on how to do soniverse. Now, soniverse is a recent trick that I learned, and I did a video on it last time, and I promised you guys how I do a tutorial, so here it is. Now, soniverse is an amazing trick that you can use in many different ways. I personally just like to use it in a straight line. It's super satisfying in my opinion, and let's get into it. First, you want to line up a bunch of dominoes sideways like this. So let's just line up 8 or 12. Oh yeah, this trick does require some tape, so make sure you guys have that with you. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8, so no deal with that. Now use like a template or like a yardstick to make it straight. So I'm just gonna use a template. Okay. Now here's where you need to use the tape. So you take about as much tape as you need, and you put about half it on your domino, and you put the other half on 4 dominoes. Make sure it's sticking to all 4 of them. This is probably the most annoying part. And there you go. Now you want to repeat the step over and over and over again. So that's our first. Here's our second. And bam. And make as many of these as you want. Doesn't matter. Now, knock the scene down and start with a normal sum amount line. It could be as long as you want. I'm just going to make it the first domino on number 1. And then I'm going to start placing my larger ones. And done. Now just repeat this. So I'm going to do it a few times. There you go. Now, let's grab our dominoes. Let's make a domino line. Now, I would recommend before curving this domino line, like build 4 or 5 dominoes just for, safety. I'm not gonna curve it, I'm just gonna build a straight line. Okay, done. 3, 2, 1. And bam, see? Really good trick and really simple. Now, I hope you learned something from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.